Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and pardon the mess back there. Those are prizes for my Saturday class. So if you guys have purchased last month, you got to go to my class on Saturday, which is totally cool. So all my Paper Pumpkin subscribers get to go into that class as well. But look at this. This is what we're going to be working with. Oh, I'm super excited. I will still do the 21st. I'll still do the live Paper Pumpkin here on YouTube. So watch for that. And let's go ahead and check out and see what's in there. But you guys, these are the new in colors. What? So excited. So I'm going to open the box here. And our little spot is Misty Moonlight. So that is the only color that's not shown on here. So there we go. I did it upside down. But all right, here we go. Oh, this is a little advertising for next month. So next month's supposed to be a box of sunshine. It's a little kind of kit that's starting where you go deliver like little gifts that are yellow and orange, and I just think this will be super cute. So maybe we might have to start a little challenge. All right, the next thing is the stamp sets. Yeah, can you see that? I don't have anything white to show you. Let me get out a piece of, oh, I've got some white foam. There we go. You can always count on a crafter, right? So this one says, oh, happy day. And then there's 3 different rainbow sizes. That one fits in that. What else do we have? Those are 3 little plus marks. And flip it over. You got some rays going on there. A little starburst. This says, you're amazing. And then this one says, hey. So I think that's really cool. So we've got that. What else do we have? Oh, now we've got all the wrapped stuff. Check it out. We've got that really pretty, I wish I remembered the name of them. I think there's a honey is in there. That's the only one I know. Let me see if I have information. This is about this month's kit, but it doesn't say what the color lineup is. But that's what we've got. Oh. That's what we've got. That cool? I don't know. Let me know if you like doing this kind of unboxing or if you just want me to literally unbox where you just see what I've got in the box and that's it. So I thought it would be fun to do face-to-face. I haven't done face-to-face with you guys in so long because we're using the dining table as an office space. And then, of course, I couldn't give up my studio to be an office. Then we'd never get to see each other. All right. Opening this guy up. Now at least you get to see my face. I'm going crazy trying to open stuff up. Let me see if there's anything in here. Oh, okay. Bumblebee. That's the yellow. Just Jade. That's that green color. Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 5 new colors, so. All right, so we've got some twine in there. We've got our little glue dots, and we've got some dimensionals in there. Oh, I am excited. Look at this. I'm going to hold up the envelope. Those are little enamel starbursts. Are those so cute? And then while I was showing you the starburst, I got to see the envelope. And check this out. Oh, we got, look at that. That's the magenta color right there. That is pretty. And then we've got these. I think that's more of a pumpkin pie. I don't think that's an in color. That's a returning color. And then this is Purple Posy, which is this current year's and next year's in color. There you go. Alrighty. Well, we know there's rainbows, so they gave us some clouds to go with the rainbow. Can you see? It's hard to see there. See those clouds? We'll pop it out. How about that? I usually pop them out. There's a cloud there. We've got two littler clouds. It looks like we have a small, a medium. So there's the medium and the small as well. And then we've got a label. That is a cute little label. And that would actually go really well with what I used in one of my current cards, this label here. I wish you could see it. There you go. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of the clouds. What else do we have? We've got some little note cards in the Purple Posy. We've got some standard note cards in the jade color with some little pluses on there. And then, ooh, things start falling all over the place. We've got some rainbow. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, we are going to have so much fun. And I just got this. It must have come in the box yesterday because I just got it today and I didn't go check the mail yesterday. So, we've got some little vellum pieces here. Bunch of little vellums. And then we've got 1 sheet of vellum tags. So that must be for 4 of the cards. But that is everything, you guys. And now, because I'm doing the class, I've decided I'm going to do Paper Pumpkin exclusive classes. So if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you get to see the unboxing, of course. You get to come to my online YouTube class, which is free for everybody on live. And then I'm going to come up with even more exclusive alternatives for you. And then we'll have our own meeting at that point too. And we will have an exclusive Facebook page. So I cannot wait. I'm going to unveil the Facebook page on Saturday's class. And I will let you know more. So, but on the 21st, we're going to put this together. And then we'll do an alternative. And then on the 23rd is the online live class. You will get your information then, all your login information, because it is via Zoom. And we are going to be having some good times. All right. I will talk to you later. Make sure you get your Paper Pumpkin because you are not going to want to miss out on this one. I cannot wait. This will be a very fun class. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, not bye yet. I'll put all the information in the link below so you can sign up. Okay, now I'll talk to you later. Bye.